Alright, so here's a more standard Hunter original. Still Robbins and Myers, but it is an original. Bron and brass, reverse air brackets. I believe pecan blades. I'm not really good with the Hunter blades. Has a little bit of scuffing, but other than that, it's in really good shape. It is from... oh, I can't even read it. 1980 something. Didn't come with the switch cap. I stole this off of a 36-inch original, and I'll find something to go on that. This canopy is also not original. I got that off eBay because this was missing both. It is an original, so it is performing excellent. Oh, come on, focus. This came from the Russian Fazbear. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.